With the recent success of Alex Powell, president of the Jamaica Karting Association, JKA, Rouge Mizir, says it is critical that the sport doesn't go defunct as a result of the COVID-19 pandemic. The JKA is now in the red after a year of competitive inactivity and has been pleading with the government to allow them to resume competition safely so they can begin earning revenue again.
The rent here is quite high as we rent from the operators of Norman Manley International Airport, which is a non-Jamaican company. So they're expecting their rent paid every month. You know, their bean counters are sitting in another country saying, you know, we've rented this from the government of Jamaica and we're not collecting rent from our tenants.
Now, Mizir says the cost to replace the facility would be too great for the association and that losing it would end the dreams of a number of youngsters.
And if we were to lose this property, it would be the end of karting. And this is the time when young Alex Powell has just won the first leg of the World Championships, and he's the youngest recruitee on a Formula One team, and trained now directly by and overseen by the AMG Mercedes Formula One team. So, you know, so this is an opportunity for our kids. To get out of